We got some new wheels, guys. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm so excited to show you my new mod. We got ourselves a set of VOLK Racing TE37 progressives for the 4Runner, and I know you guys probably wanted it to be for the S2000. It is not. It is for the 4Runner, and I think it's nice to have a cool daily as well as a cool track car or project car on the side as well. Let's go ahead and just start opening them up. Here they are, 18-inch TE37s, straight from VOLK, 18x90 offset. It is a 6-lug, as you can see, seal of authenticity. So I'm very stoked about this. I've already opened and inspected it, but we're gonna go ahead and do this again. So, like I said, brand new set of wheels. I'm so used to buying aftermarket wheels that are used. I've never purchased anything brand new like this before, so it's definitely a treat. And I'm definitely gonna tell you guys or who to link you guys to if you guys ever want to buy a set of new wheels or new parts from Japan. I got a buddy of mine that hooked me up, and he sourced it out for me and got it for me directly from Mackin Industry or Race. But let's go ahead and open this up. Wow, look at that, guys. Ain't she a beaut? Made in Japan, Raise Engineering, forged, made in Japan. This is all engraved, same with here. And I think they did that to combat, you know, replicas and whatnot, but I think that's a nice touch. They're matte bronze. I love bronze wheels, just like my Mugen MF10s that I had on the S2000 a couple years ago. So let me get some light, show you how it really looks. It's hard to see the color in the camera, but it's really bronze in person, and the camera is not so much. I definitely think they need a coating of ceramic. I don't like the bronze. It just looks a little bit ashy, if that makes sense. It just doesn't look that good. But there are some parts to this wheel that just looks really nice and clean, like how smooth that looks in there, and the barrels are nice and smooth, but this is textured. I did wish that VOLK actually did an anodized edge or lip like they did on the classic wheels, but I guess they're just making it quicker and easier to produce them and just, I don't know, powder coat the whole face. Or, you know, I don't know. I'm not understanding too much about the change, but this is gorgeous. It does come with a valve stem. This one is actually black, but I decided that I'm going to use the Toyota sensors on mine because I want to make sure it reads with the car. I don't want to go ahead and just put those on and have those lights flashing. Here are the stickers in the barrel. Proved authenticity. There we go, 18x90. Really nice, guys. Really nice. I'm so excited. So yeah, one of the reasons why I decided to buy a brand new set is because they're actually discontinuing this. If you actually go on the Raise website from Japan, they actually say they're discontinuing it and taking the last orders in September of this year. So October will be probably the latest that you'll get your shipment. But from my understanding, they weren't selling as much, but it's understandable. Not everyone has trucks, but I really wanted a set of VOLKs for my car, especially the 4Runner. My sister has it on hers, and I've yet to make a video on it, but I will soon. Right now, I'm very excited that I finally got myself a set of VOLK wheels. So let's go ahead and put it against the truck. The truck is really dirty, so please don't get mad at me for this. So let's check it out. these are looking beautiful. I cannot wait to get these on the car. Next is to pick up the tires, but also I'm gonna have to ceramic coat these to protect them from brake dust and daily wear and all that stuff. So stay tuned for the next video as we ceramic coat these bad boys, and it's gonna be really a fun mod. See you then.